Hello everyone, welcome to day 8 of solving SQL. Today we are going to solve this problem, capital gain or loss. In this problem there is a single table. Table name is stocks. It has 4 columns: stock name, operation day and price. Stock name and operation day together is the primary key for this table. Operation is a enumeration type column. It has like how many? Two values, sell and buy. Operation column is a enum category of type sell and buy. Then price is integer type of column, so price will have many values. Okay, so by each row of this table indicates the stock which has stock name and an operation on a day of operation day with the price. So each stock will, on that operation day, will have an operation of a particular price. That means a stock may get bought or sold. Okay, if the stock is bought, then the operation will be buy on a particular day, whatever the price that was that uh, with that the stock was bought. Okay, if the operation is sell on a particular operation day, and the price is that price on with which the stock was sold. Okay, it is guaranteed that each sale operation for a stock has a corresponding buy operation in a previous day. So this is the guarantee. It is guaranteed that the sale operation for a stock has a corresponding buy operation in the previous day. It is also guaranteed that each buy operation for a stock has a corresponding sell operation in an upcoming day. Okay, so buy, if a stock is bought, then this stock is not bought again. It is sold, after which it might be bought. Okay, so uh, we can be sure this is an important part of the problem. It is guaranteed that the sale operation for a stock has a corresponding buy operation. Because if this was not given, this might have been a difficult problem. But because of this became a very easy problem. Okay, although it is says that it is medium, but it is actually a very easy problem. Now, see the question. Write a solution to report the capital gain loss for each stock. So, what is capital gain loss? That is gain minus loss. Okay. So, total gain for a particular, because one stock can be bought multiple times, one stock can be bought multiple times, sold multiple times. So, suppose one stock is bought at day one, then at day two it was sold. Again, day three it was bought. Again, day four it was sold. So after a particular time frame, this stock has bought and sold multiple times. So I have to calculate the total profit or loss. That is capital gain or loss. Okay. So this is the explanation. The capital gain is loss of a stock is the total gain or loss after buying and selling the stock one or many times. Selling the stock one or many times. Return the result table in any order, the result format. So now let us look at the example. So this is the input table. It has one, two, three, I think three stocks. Okay. Lead code. This is the first stock. It is bought at operation day one, price 1000. Lead code again is sold at operation day five, 9000. So what is the capital gain here? 8000, right? Oh, loss. No, no, no. Gain is 8000. Then lead code again. Lead code is not here. So lead code has gained 8000. So lead code is 8000. Okay. Corona masks. Uh, bought rupees 10. Then Corona masks sold at rupees 10. Then 1000 is the total capital gain. Again bought at 1000 and sold at 500. So minus 500. Now bought at 1000 plus 500 and sold at 10,000. So 10,500. Right? 9,500. Let me do it again. Corona mask is plus 10. Then Corona masks minus na sold at this. So 10,000, 1,000 is the profit. Corona mask again is bought this and sold this. So 500 is the profit, right? 500. 500 is the loss. Then this is again 1000 bought, and this so 9,000, 9,500. Okay, see. First corner marks is bought at rupees 10. I mean 10 at price 10. That corner marks this is sold at price this. So the profit is 1,000. Then the second is bought at 1,000, sold at this. So loss is 5,500. Then this one is bought at 1,000, sold at 10,000, profit is 9,000. So 9,000 plus 1,000, 10,000 minus 500, 9,500. So the capital gain and loss is 9,500. Again, handbags, she bought at 30,000. Handbags sold at 7,000. So loss is 23,000. So this is the loss. Minus means loss. Okay. So here is the explanation. So how to do this problem? Because because of this condition, it is guaranteed that each sell operation for a stock is has a corresponding buy operation, and each buy operation for a stock has corresponding sell operation in an upcoming day. Because of this, I do not have to consider one stock may be bought multiple times and then it was sold. I do not have to consider it. So all I have to do here is sum um, all the stocks, all the stocks according to the operation. Okay, that means if I group by the stocks, then put some condition. If the operation is buy, then I will add all of this. Minus if the operation is sell, I will add all of this. I can do that very easily. Okay. So if you try to do this using CT, this is also possible. Or I can also do a trick. What is the trick? The capital gain is always what? Buy minus sell, or sell minus buy. Here it is the sell minus buy. So capital gain is, I can do sell minus buy. Capital gain is sell minus buy. So when the operation is buy, I can just put a minus to the price. I can do a case when statement. Then I will add all of this. So if you want to try this problem at LeetCode, you can do this. Go to the LeetCode and solve this problem. Then come back here, and I will be writing the code here. So how will I write this? Select. I will write the stock name first. I need the stock name. Okay. Then I will write a case when statement. Case when operation equal to operation equal to what? Buy. Then minus price. Okay. Else price. But I can write it here only. Else price. Okay. And end as uh, suppose capital or simply price. End as price. Okay. Or not price. Let me end it as price from what? From the stocks table. From the stocks table. And then group by. I can do a group by, or I don't need to group by now. Let me show you what this code will return. So see, lead code was a buy, so minus 1,000, corner marks minus. Then lead code again was sold, so 9,000 plus 9,000. Handbags bought minus 30,000. Corner marks sold, so 10,000. Corner marks bought again minus. Corner marks sold again plus. Bought again minus. Handbags sold here, corner marks sold here. Okay. So whenever it is bought, it is minus. The price got minus, and whenever it is sold, it is the same price plus. Okay. Now let me write the improve the code. Now if I sum all of this, this part, because whatever this returns, if I sum this and write the name, what is the column name for the output table, capital gain loss, gain loss. Okay, then I use a group by here simply. Group by what's one, I can write one. Then the problem is solved. I can simply run this and it will get accepted. See, accepted. See the result. Click code. It has. So if I submit this code, it will result in correct answer. Okay, it is resulting in correct answer. I can do the same problem using CTE also. So try to do it yourself and write it in the comment section. I will be commenting on the code. And in the next video, at first, I will show you the answer, the same problem using CTE how to solve this. Okay. So thank you. And if you like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.